Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone in affiliate marketing, content creation, or even just building a personal brand. How to choose a good offer to promote. This is something that can make or break your business, so let's get it right. First things first, not all offers are created equal. You'll see thousands of products and services out there, all screaming for your attention. But promoting the wrong one can do more than just waste your time. It can seriously damage your reputation and the trust you've built with your audience. That's why the most important question you need to ask yourself before promoting anything is this: would I personally use this product or service? If the answer is no, stop right there. If you wouldn't spend your own money on it or use it to solve your own problems, why would you recommend it to someone else? Authenticity is your greatest asset. People can spot a fake recommendation from a mile away. When you genuinely believe in what you're promoting, that passion and conviction shine through. It makes your recommendation feel less like a sales pitch and more like a helpful suggestion from a trusted friend. This is the foundation of a successful, long-term business. Next, you need to put yourself in your audience's shoes, especially if they are beginners. Ask yourself, does this product actually help a beginner get started? So many products out there are designed for intermediate or advanced users, yet they're marketed to newbies. Promoting a complex, expensive software to someone who's just trying to learn the basics is a recipe for disaster. They'll get overwhelmed, frustrated, and they'll blame you for pointing them in the wrong direction. Your goal should be to provide real value and help people take their very first steps successfully. When you do that, they'll stick with you as they grow, and they'll trust your recommendations for more advanced tools later on. Now let's talk about red flags. The online world is full of them, and you need to be able to spot them to protect both yourself and your audience. The biggest one: unrealistic, exaggerated promises. You've seen them. Make $10,000 in your first week with no effort, or get 1 million followers overnight with this one simple trick. If it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. These kinds of claims are designed to prey on people's desperation and desire for a quick fix. Promoting offers like this makes you look either naive or dishonest. Real success takes time, effort, and a solid strategy. Align yourself with products and creators who are honest about that. Another major red flag to watch out for is the over-reliance on a money-back guarantee. Now, don't get me wrong. A guarantee can be a good thing. It can show that a company stands behind its product. However, when it's the main selling point, be cautious. Some shady marketers use it as a tool to lower people's defenses and sell them a low-quality product, knowing that many buyers won't bother to go through the refund process. A truly great product doesn't need to shout about its money-back guarantee. Its value speaks for itself through testimonials, case studies, and clear benefits. Finally, and this is a simple one, if you don't understand the product, don't promote it. You should be able to explain what it does, who it's for, and how it works in simple terms. If you can't, you have no business recommending it. Your audience will have questions, and if you can't answer them, you lose all credibility. Take the time to do your homework. Use the product, go through the course, and understand its ins and outs before you even think about creating content around it. So, what should you promote instead? Where should you start? My advice is to begin with the basics. Look for high-quality, foundational courses that teach essential skills. These are always in demand. Another fantastic option is to promote free training or webinars. This is a great, no-risk way for your audience to get value and learn from an expert. It builds trust and introduces them to a brand or a person in a very organic way. And don't forget the power of communities. Promoting a supportive learning community, whether it's a free Facebook group or a paid membership, can be incredibly valuable for a beginner who feels lost and alone. At the end of the day, it all comes down to this one core principle. A bad offer will destroy your credibility, but a good offer will build it for the long haul. Every recommendation you make is a deposit into or a withdrawal from your audience's trust bank. Are you building up that trust, or are you cashing it out for a quick commission? The most successful creators are the ones who play the long game. They prioritize their audience's success above all else. And in return, they build a loyal, thriving community that trusts their judgment. So, be selective, be authentic, and always, always put your audience first. That is the real secret to choosing offers that not only convert but also build a sustainable and respectable brand. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. See you in the next video.